How to connect your F9 True Wireless earbuds, the one that looks like these, with an iPhone. All right, so these are the version 5.1 F9 wireless earbuds. And to get these into pairing mode so that they can show up on your phone, here's what you're going to do. So basically, you want to take them out of the case. And as you take them out, they may start to flash in a blue light. Okay, so if both of them are flashing in a blue light, that's a no-go. What you're going to do now is turn them both off. And to do this, you'll hold down on the touch control here and wait for the red light. That means it's off, right? So this is off now. And you'll do the same for this one here. So go ahead and turn it off. Wait for the red light. All right. So now that they're both off, the next thing is to get them to sync into each other, and one of them will become the host earbud. And to do this, you'll simply just press down on the touch controls for both of them. And on the first blue light, you will quickly release it. Okay, so here we go. 1, 2, 3, and hold. And then let it go. You'll see that they flash, and then one of them will start to blink in a blue light. So that's the host earbud. And with that said and done, now on your iPhone here, you can go into the main settings of your iPhone. So look for the main settings. Just go to that. And being it's your first time pairing up a Bluetooth device, you want to use the main settings and go to Bluetooth here. Go ahead and turn that on. And as you turn on the Bluetooth settings, you should only see one F9, okay? And once you see that one F9 name, go ahead and tap on it. It's gonna run the process for you, and then it's gonna say it's connected. And to know if you're fully connected, you can just pay attention to that there. You'll see that there, the little icon that shows up there as they show up as a headphone here. And watch the lights there. If you see any flashing blue lights, that means one of them was not paired or synced properly. But since there's no lights like this, that means you're fully connected and good to go. So like, share, sub, and thanks for watching.